Good morning, good morning. Yeah, so today is my 4th day back at the DMV. Whew. Trying to get this car registered. And first, my car didn't pass that smog check. Cali got a smog check, so it's like an inspection sticker, you know. But if it was New York, I could have just went to my man's on Jerome, bought a $70 fake inspection sticker, slapped it on there. I would have been good. But Cali, So yeah, so I gotta go back there and, you know, gotta pass that. Yeah. Damn, I'm noticing I'm rocking the same clothes every vlog now. Like I'm a cartoon character. But if you notice, type deja vu in the comments. Damn, I gotta go shopping. Crazy.
Now serving K033 at window number 7.
It's crazy. Time to relax now. Damn. I done jump my ass. Jump right up in the jacuzzi cool. Ooh. I'm gonna take my shirt off. Crazy. DMV, do it to you, boy. Been at that DMV the whole, since Monday. Smog check. I never even heard of that. Man. It's alright. Let me get it. Yeah, at the end of the day, I just gotta remind myself that this ain't gonna happen overnight. It's a lifestyle, so every day you have to work on it, you know. But it starts up here, mentally, you know. Once you make a plan in your head, then it's a wrap, you know. You just gotta, the best thing to do is action at the end of the day. Put the action in. I'm gonna weigh in tomorrow. You know, but let's see what the scales say. Sometimes the scale, you know, you can't really depend on that scale. That'll mess you up looking at that scale. But I'm gonna try not to focus so much on the numbers and focus on how I feel, you know, and work on me coming out every day. So that's the plan. I'm gonna stick with it. Yeah. And that's where I'm at with it right now. So I didn't want to come out here today, but I'm happy I came out today because now it builds on the other day and the next day, and you know, all the other days you come out here, it adds up. So little by little, you know, and that's what it's about. It's a lifestyle. All right, peace out. Let's get out of here. So it's looking icy. Looking real icy. Look how they coming out. Straight off the camera. My man don't play. It's a 70 to, no, that's not the man. That's 70 to 200 right there. Looking icy. Look at the model. Yeah. So we got the garden theme going on. Yeah, I think that would look nice. Let me get back to work. Let me get behind the scenes on them real quick. Peace.